Hi guys, so good evening, welcome back to my magical world. It's me, Frostbite, your favorite celebrity. Ayan. So it's 11:44 in the evening right now. It's still Tuesday, May 7th of nasabi ko na right. So since, heto na naman tayo. Hindi makatulog. Yan, mga sakit natin yan eh. Ano ba yan guys? Like, I don't know how I'm going to fix my routine kasi I don't know. I feel like I have many things to do pero once I reach out my bed, I reach my room, wala na akong magawa guys. Nang tama, I just want to rest. So, ayan. Ano ba pagkukwentuhan natin ngayon? Ayan nga, yung what I heard, like, diba, meron na namang isolated case of suicide. So, syempre, of course, they won't tell you. They won't tell anyone. It's an isolated case and it's unreported. So, ayan, eto na naman tayo, guys. So, hindi ko alam what the hell we can do or if there is something that we can do about it. That's why, diba, siguro, for me, I'm just creating more of this video for you to have, to be guided. Like, kasi not everyone is like speaking about it. So, because I have, I've been through that. So, it's not really an easy path. Kaya sana naman wag kayong umabot to the point that you're gonna leave this realm, this earth, this platform, the ground that you are in with ng basta-basta. I mean, take a gazillion times of think a gazillion times before you do something. Okay? So, it's not that I'm mad at them or something. I'm mad about the circumstances that they are in with. Those people who committed suicide are not in a very good place. So, sana, kasi marami kasing nagagalit sa kanila eh. When they're dead, syempre sasabihin nila kasalanan nila. Pero I don't think so. Maybe hindi nila kinaya or they have karmic debts that they need to be paid, so they have to do it in the most harsh way, which is to take their life by themselves. Mahirap yun guys, no? Imagine, like, hindi ko alam kung ano yung perspective nyo. Sige, pag-usapan natin to lang, like, my personal views about it. Kayo, bala kayo. So, imagine, sobrang hirap nun na you're gonna take away your own. Kasi, once na sinugatan mo yung sarili mo, it's all starts there. When yung iba, it starts with a simple tattoo, diba? They are into a state of depression, so they wanted to feel some pain kasi their mind are, diba, hindi siya fully, they are clouded. Ano ba? Paano ba yung term? Yung clouded yung utak mo. So, hindi siya masyadong kumbaga, hindi mo nakikita yung bigger picture ng mga bagay-bagay or yung life mo or yung outlook mo sa life is not that clear. It's vague. It's feeling lost, empty. Ganon. So, hay nako. Hindi ko alam kasi, ayoko kasi sanang pag-usapan to kasi baka maano ko ni YouTube baka ma-detect or something, baka hindi mag-okay sa channel ko. Hindi ko naman gustong mawala ang channel ko or anything like that. So, iniiwasan natin na ganun. So, that's why, kasi sa ibang platform, when they are saying those things, 'di ba, nag-automatic na shutdown or nag-automatic na shutdown or they are being banned or something like that. So, ayoko naman mangyari yun dito sa channel ko kasi as you know, if you don't know yet, I've started my channel just because this is therapeutic for me, for my mental health. So, kasi I don't talk to a lot of people. Siguro, really few. Especially nowadays. You know, how humans are like unstable. The unstableness of them. So, yun. It's just me. Well, anyways, going back dun sa topic. Yun nga. So, it's so sad that they are in a circumstances like that na siguro yung iba sasabihin, kaya pa naman yan, pero kasi hindi nga everyone is guided in love and yun, guided and love accordingly. So, iba-iba. The way a family raised their children are a very different thing. So, kaya nga, it's important for you to be, ano ba? You need to stay calm. You need to calm down. And you need to stay calm and you do not lose those, yung parang tama ba yung term? Inch of hope that things will get better. Kasi, your thoughts creates your reality. So, no matter what, guys, kasi ako, I have been constantly telling you that this is so true. So, I don't know if it's just me because I'm like a good manifestor. I manifest things the way it should be. I'm in control. I may say sometimes, not like that, but yeah, I'm still, when I ground my energy, I still make, shit happens. So, things happens. So, ayan. Feeling ko na sa segue tayo sa ibang topic. Wait lang. So, going back doon sa, sa mga cases na like that. So, sana, maging more sensitive sa mga tao. Like, you really have to be careful with how you say things, with how you talk to people. Kasi, sobrang, yung simple lang nasasabihin mo na, uy, ang taba mo na, ganun. May yan, guys, may effect. Kaya nga ako, I do not have side comments. Kaya ang hirap kasi when you are in a pool of people na ganun yung mga ugali, you adopt it. So, it's important you to have that cloak of discipline and principle, moral and values that will hindi ka sa kanila matulad. Okay? Sa mga taong ganun. Kasi, madami kasing ganun, guys. So, as much as, we need to really stay away from those people. Okay? So, iwasan yung pagko-comment, lalo kung hindi ka naman maganda. Kung literal na hindi ka naman maganda. Right? Kung saksakan ka naman ng kapangitan sa physical, tapos ganun pa yung ugali mo, 'di ba? Hindi siya magandang example. Like, nagre-reflect yung inner ugali sa face. So, I'm just saying it's like that. So, make sure na iwasan yung maglait-lait, ganun, mapanglait. So, yun, feeling ko basta yun, guys. So, naaalala ko lang yung nakwento ulit sa akin. So, ano siya, tas pababa yung, ito pa, yung alarming. Well, alarming na nga siya, tas alarming pa yung pababa yung age nung nagko-commit ng, So, I don't know what else can we do about it. So, maybe, if you happen to bump into this video, this is like, a warning or a message from you that, be sensitive. Like, as much as you always wanted to be blunt most of the times and say what you mean and mean what you say, or if you don't mean what you say, diba? So, hindi siya maganda sometimes sa yung dating sa mga tao or sa tao. So, be very careful. Kasi, syempre, pag namatay yan, diba? Anong mangyayari? Sisihin mo, or magkaano ka din, yung magpapalinis na, uy, nung buhay yan, ang ganda-ganda ng ugali niyan, ganun-ganon. Or ikaw yung type na, syempre, magi-guilty kasi isa ka, you may think that you are not one of the factor for committing, but isa ka pala dun sa mga factor na ganun. So, yun. Like, iwasan lang yung mga ganun, guys. Okay, stop na tayo dyan kasi it makes me feel, So, ayoko talaga ng mga next time naman natin pag-usapan. So, I have to wake up tomorrow early as much as possible. Hindi pala as much as I'm obligated to wake up early kasi sa akin yung susi. So, 'di ba? I can't sleep well na at night. Which is hopefully sana makatulog ako ng maayos. I've been again overthinking and overanalyzing many situations in my life, personal. And my malapit na yung judgment time sa aking decisions. So, antayin na lang natin, guys, what will happen. Pero hopefully, ako kasi napagod, 'di ba? Sinabi ko sa inyo last time. Like, napagod na ako na yung parang I have to force things to do. So, I just let things be the way it should be. So, pag hindi na super may quota, although may quota sa akin yung mga bagay-bagay. Yung pag hindi siya naging okay within certain period of time, huwag na. Or there's other path and other options naman to take which will be good for you. So, always, lang siguro, always pray or always seek guidance. Whoever your God is. I don't know kasi, ako naman, I respect all beings. Wag lang naman yung, basta, hopefully, nasa good side kayo ng, work, right? Spiritual work or religious work. So, sana you are being granted. Your wishes are being granted accordingly. And for the good intentions of you and for everyone. So, ayan. Feeling ko mala tayo ngayon dito. Mala sermon. Mala pari. Anyways, guys. Thank you guys for listening. Lang tayo. I just need an outlet for my my thoughts. And, wala lang. Hi guys pala. Sana okay lang kayo. Sana okay lang kayo. Like, sa everyday yung ginagawa, although that is, you may think na wala lang yan. Like, it's the small things pa rin. Always think about it. Yung small things na yan, kapag na-accumulate, whatever you are doing, if it's good, diba, it will attract more goodness for you, for your family. If you are creating a ripple effects of good deeds, diba, ganon, you're returning back sa kung ano man, diba, na, which is, bukal sa loob, ba English ng bukal sa loob, Basta, yun na. Ayan guys, papaantok na ako kasi i-prepare ko pa yung mga things ko bukas. So, thank you guys, and I will see you again. Ay, ang tagal tumigil. By the way guys, minsan pag nanonood kayo ng video ko, sometimes when I rewatch my video, sometimes lang, kunyari, I'm looking for my past videos, tas may mga mali-mali, nakakahiya. So, especially if I'm not, fully okay, or I'm not really in the mood to film, diba? So, hayaan nyo na lang guys, huwag nyo masyadong pansinin bahala kayong pansinin yung, syempre, buhay nyo yan. Yung mga mali. Natatawa din ako minsan pag napapanood ko yung mga videos, may mga mali-mali na, which is sometimes I don't like to post. Pero wala, anong gagawin ko, na-post na. So, ayan. Again, real time, real shit. So, kaya nga, I'm still dictating my time, although kapag pinost, diba, basta yun. Okay? Okay na. Okay na kayo. So, ayan. Anong gagawin natin? Subscribe na kayo. Magkikita ulit tayo bukas. Hindi ako, may mga iniisip akong bagay-bagay, pero I'm just so happy right now na sana wala na masyadong obstacle. Yung we live life with ease na at this point onwards, kasi syempre deserve natin to. So, ayan. Ito pa. Wag na. Okay na yun, guys. Daldal ko na. Ha? So, dami tayo yung Tagalog na sinabi. Nasa tawag dito? Yung at home feels. Although, inantok na talaga ako, guys. So, hanapin na natin yung tamang position para makatulog tayo ng maayos. Okay? Kayo din, guys. Matulog na kayo. So, salamat sa panonood. Thank you guys for listening, and thank you for helping me make this world a better place for all of us and for the future generation. Always spread sasabihin ako, always spread kindness. Yan. Sabi ni Selena Gomez, right? So, maganda yung niya, mga naunang kanta. Oh, 'di ba? The Billionaire. So, I'm gonna see you again, guys. Bye.